Hey class, it's Mr. Petula. First and foremost, I just want to apologize that I'm not here today. But what I do want to do is kind of walk through a couple things that you're going to have to know when you start working on this space shuttle exploration document. So you're going to see a screen like this on your Google Classroom, and go ahead and click the link to open it up. And what I usually do is I kind of split the screen. So I'm going to have this on one side by dragging it all the way to the right. And then I'm going to have the link to the web quest on the other side of the screen. Oh, technical difficulties here. Alrighty, let me get that down. Alright, so now I have both documents open, so I could easily see both of them. Now the first question says, how long does a typical space shuttle mission last? So this document is pretty long. It gives you a lot of information about the shuttle, which is very good information. But we obviously don't have enough time in a 40-minute period to read everything. So what we could do is we could kind of have the questions narrow down what we need to read about. So this one says, how long does a typical space shuttle mission last? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my document and I'm going to hit Control and F at the same time. So Control and F at the same time pops up this screen up here. Okay, so if you look where my mouse is right here, this is the screen we're going to be worried about. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in shuttle mission. And if you look, it brings me down to the space shuttle flight path, talks about the stages, and it talks about a mission. And it says a typical space shuttle mission lasts 7 to 8 days. So I could put in my answer 7 to 8 days. Look at the next one. The main engine's external fuel tank primarily contains which type of fuel? What I could do is I could search the word fuel, but if you notice, there's 38 different options where it says fuel in the document. So instead, maybe I'm going to type in fuel tank. And that brings it down to 10, which is pretty good. What if I type in engine? Okay, nothing there. What if I type in main engine? Okay, still a lot. So probably my best option would be to go with external fuel. And if we do it a couple more times, we will find out where the external fuel tank is. Okay, and it'll tell you what type of fuel it is. There it is. Okay, so keep working through this document using the Control F. Try and get it done by the end of the class period. All right, good luck, guys. Thanks.